Hello, my name is Rohan Chaudhary and this is my video demonstration for the JOS Jobs Requirement Platform Assignment 2 for CSY 2089 Web Programming. This video demonstration will cover all 10 requirement features including dynamic copyright notice, career advice page, category management and display, job archiving and unarchiving, admin job list with filtering and sorting, public job search, user management, client accounts with restricted access, soonest closing jobs on the home page, contact form and inquiry management. Let's begin. First, let's look at the dynamic copyright notice. At the bottom of every page, the copyright notice display the current year automatically. As you can see, it shows 2026. This is generated using PSP datey function, so it will always update automatically without manual editing. Now let's move to the career advice page. This is a new page added to the public section of the site. Here you can see career advice with helpful tips for job seeker. The page includes sections on writing effective CV, interview preparation, career planning, professional development. Now let's look at the category display. Category are pages from the database and display dynamically in the navigation bar. Here you can see IT, human resources, sales, management. On the job page, the same category appear in the sidebar, allows user to filter jobs by category. This is implemented in includes header.html.php and controllers index.php. Now let's move to the home page. On the home page, we display 5 closed jobs to encourage quick application. Here you can see jobs ordered by closing date with the earliest closing dates shown first. Each job displays job title, location, salary, closing date. Now let's move to the contact page. The contact form allows public visitor to submit inquiries. Let me demonstrate submitting an inquiry. First, name and second, surname, third, email and phone number, and what inquiry you want to give to the company you can write. Just I write good company. Here it respond thank you, we will respond shortly. So the inquiry goes to the inquiry management to the company. Now let's move to the admin features. Now let's look at the admin and client access control. I will log administration first. You can see you can log by entering email, username, email or username or password. Uh, the client dashboard show limited option: view own jobs only, add new jobs, view applicant jobs, no user management action. This is forced by the required role function in includes function.php. Now let's move to the admin user management. Administration can manage user accounts. Let me demonstrate adding a new user. Here I have already read, so I am only this user is added successfully. Now I will delete the user to demonstrate the delete function. Now let's move to the category management system. I will add a new category called finance. This category is created successfully. Now I will refresh the home page to verify the new category appears on the navigation bar. As you can see here, finance is now listed. It also appears in the sidebar of the jobs page. Now let's move to the archive and unarchived job. The archive job features allows demonstration and staff to hide jobs without deleting them. The job now shows an archive tag and hidden from the public site. As you can see, archive is no longer in home page. To restore the job, I will click on archive job. The job is now active and will appear in the job listing site and public site. Now let's move to the admin job list. The admin job list has been enhanced with additional columns and filtering capabilities. Now we can see category name, received data showing the job was created. We will add by filtering jobs using the drop menu. The listing now shows only jobs in the IT category. You can also search jobs by date received, latest, first, oldest, first. The list reorder to show the oldest job first. This is implemented. Now let's move to the adding jobs and viewing applicant. A client can only see and manage their own jobs. Here you can see the jobs created by this client. I will create a new job as a client. The job is created and linked to the client, this client. Now let's view the job applicant for the client job. Here you can see who have applied. The listed show applicant name, email address, and CB. The CB is stored with a uniquely file name using declared to prevent conflict. Now let's move to the inquiry management phase. Here you can see inquiry submitted through the contact form. Each query show first name, surname, email, inquiry, status, pending or complete, handle by who can handle, and when you click mark complete, it will done mark complete. For the complete inquiry, we can see the staff admin name and the complete date. This is implemented. All the features have been implemented, tested with PSP unit. Thank you for watching the video demonstration.